Is visible to all of you? My screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so we should go to insert. Okay, there you can see text box is there. Okay, you can use this text box simply to write the insights that you know. Okay, like we can write like DTM is having number of strings. Okay, like this we can write. There is some error, it will show us. TAUR. Okay, now it is clear. Like this, whatever insights you are getting out of a particular dashboard, you can put it in, put that particular thing over here, and you can format it. Like you can increase its size. Okay, simply by using this thing. Okay, you can increase its size. You can make it bold, italic, whatever you want. Okay, you can change the alignment too. So try out these options. This is, and you can use this to make the heading also. Like if you want to make some heading, I'm making it short. Okay, let us take the text box. And here I'm writing like right, and we can make it big in size. Okay. And let us make it bold, italic, and we can put one underline also. Okay, and if you want to change the color, all those things is possible. Okay, here we can change the font color. We can try, we can take red itself. Okay, and if you want to change the alignment, like in center, if we want to put it, okay, like this we can do, and you can simply place it somewhere else if we want. So this is how we can make some, I mean, title, as well as we can use it to put some insights, whichever we actually obtain from it, right? So if you want to give some color to this background, okay, in that case, go to this canvas setting, this format. In this canvas background is there, and you can change the color of that one. Okay. Transparency is 100%. That's why it is showing you white in color. Now, when I will change the transparency, you can see it is black in color. So this is how you can put some color within it. And if you want to make this particular things very, very smooth, okay, if you want to make this edges of it very smooth, in that case, go to format. Okay, and there in general, there will be some in effects. If you don't want the background, this white background is not required, you can make it off also. Okay, if you want it, you can make it on. Okay, there is visual borders. If you want to put some visual borders, that is also possible. Make it on, and here you can make the rounded corners. Okay, so that it is very smooth. It's looking very smooth, like rounded corners are there. Okay, like this, you can do some beautification and all. If you want to put some shadow, in that case, go to general, and in effect too, you can put some shadow. Okay, it is shadow is not visible because it is black in color. If I'm going to change the canvas color, okay, like if I'm taking this white itself, you can see the shadow. Okay, there is a shadow. Is it clear? And now there is a line also. Visual border is there. If you don't like the line, you can make that line to be white or something else so that it is not that much visible. So this is how you can do some beautification and all. Now you can put some buttons. Okay, to do page navigation. So for that, go to buttons, take a blank page, a blank button. Okay, And here you can change the shape of it in the format. In shape, you can change its shape to be, sorry, it is by default, it is in rectangle. Wait a second, all of you. Yeah. So actually, this is the button that we have made. Okay, this is the button. Now, if I want to move to a different page with the help of this button, that is possible. So for that, what you have to do is, if you want to change the shape of it, many shapes are available. You can choose any of the shape. Like I have taken the octagon shape. Okay. And right now, if you want to do rotation and all, that is also possible, but it is not important for us. And in style, actually, you can put some text on it. So I'm putting a text on it. I'm writing the page 1. Okay, page 1. Okay. And if I want to increase the size here in font itself, I can increase its size like this. Now it is clearly visible. Sorry, I have to take page 2 actually, because it is already there in page 1. So page 2. Okay, now if I want to move to page 2 with the help of this button, so in that case, what I should do is, there is an action, shadow, glow, those beautification thing you can do by yourself, no issues. And in case of action, you should put the action on. And there, when you will click on the drop down in the type, they are mentioning different types. So I'm using this page navigation, and destination, I'm mentioning it as page 2. Okay. And when I will click on this particular page, I should move to page 2, but it is not giving me page 2. The reason is that I have to press control, and then when I will click over it, then I can move to page 2. Is that clear, all of you? How to do page navigation? Right? Clear, right? Okay, similarly, you can put some more page buttons also. You have to do simply Control C, Control V. Okay, more buttons will be created. Okay, you can name it. Like in style, you can change the name to page 3. And in action, you can change the destination. Okay, destination should be page 3. Right? And if I'm pressing Control and clicking this page, now it is moving to page 3. Is it clear, all of you? You have to press Control and click that button after doing all the arrangement. Right? And if you want to go through a particular website, like Zomato website itself, just copy this particular link, right? And go to this particular thing. And here you have to take the image. If through an image, you want to actually go to a particular website, that is also possible. Not only page navigation to a particular website is also possible. So I'm taking this image, okay? And in the image, they are showing us action. It is off. Make that action on and take the web URL and paste the web URL over there. Control V. Okay. Now it is done. But when I'm clicking this Zomato, it is not moving to that particular website. You know what is the reason? Anyone?
We need to
Yes,
press
you have to
control.
press
Correct. Press control, then click on this Zomato. It is going to that particular web page. Now it is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it for today's class. You have some doubts regarding the class? You can ask right now. Is it okay, all of you? I will provide you the recordings and all. Right?
And where can I find yesterday class recording, ma'am?
Yesterday class is already shared in the group, I think. You're from
Okay.
which group?
At team 21 data.
I think I have shared it in the group itself. You go and check it. Today's class also I will share over there. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, all of you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome, all of you. Okay, bye.